friends, welcome back to my channel English with Gulchka. Салам достор, English with Gulchka каналына кош келдиңер. Бүгүнкү сабакта тамак даярдоо үчүн керектелүүчү сөздөрдү үйрөнөбүз. Андыктан видеону аягына чейин көрүп, комментарийде кандай тамакты жасаганды жакшы көрүшүңүздү англис тилинде жазыңыз. Анда сабакты баштадык. Pour. I'm pouring some water into the glass. Spread. I like to spread butter on my bread in the morning. Squeeze. He's squeezing a lemon. Break. Break 2 eggs into a deep bowl. Weigh. Weigh the flour on the scale. Measure. Measure the milk with a measuring cup. Mix. Mix all ingredients together until it's smooth. Put. Put the frying pan on the stove. Ayana is peeling the potatoes. Dip. I like to dip my fries in ketchup. Crush. Mother is crushing garlic in the kitchen. Sprinkle. Sprinkle flour on the worktop. Decorate. She's decorating the cake with some chocolate. Flip. I love whipping the food in the pan. Blend. Use a blender to blend the fruits. Heat. Heat the pan before you put the vegetables. Roast. Roast the chicken for 2 hours. Sharpen. Masat is sharpening the knife. Add. Add seasoning for flavor. Cut. She's cutting the vegetables into small pieces. Sift. The chef is sifting the flour through a sieve. Roll. He's rolling the dough with a rolling pin. Grate. I'm grating the cheese for the pizza. Bake. Bake the pizza in the oven for 25 minutes. Mash. Mash the potatoes with a potato masher. Simmer. Let the stew simmer for a few minutes. Melt. Melt the chocolate over low heat. Fry. I'm frying an egg. Scramble. Everyone knows how to scramble eggs. Boil. The water is boiling. Slice. Be careful when you slice the vegetables. Stir. She's stirring the soup with a ladle. Light. Light the stove to cook your food. Cover. Cover the pot with a lid. Chop. He's chopping the onions on the chopping board. Rinse. Rinse with cold water.